Have you ever seen a tree that looks like it came from another planet? While most people imagine forests as peaceful and familiar, nature has created trees so bizarre that they seem almost impossible. Some have rainbow-colored bark, others bleed red sap, and one entire forest is actually a single living organism. Today, we're counting down 10 of the most extraordinary trees on Earth that prove reality can be stranger than science fiction. Make sure you stay until number 1, because it may be the most alien-looking tree you'll ever see. Rainbow Eucalyptus. At first glance, it looks as if an artist painted this tree with every color imaginable. The rainbow eucalyptus naturally sheds its bark throughout the year, revealing fresh layers underneath that change from bright green to blue, purple, orange, and deep red as they age. Native to tropical regions such as Papua New Guinea, Indonesia, and the Philippines, it is the only eucalyptus species naturally found in the northern hemisphere. No paint, no editing, and no filters are involved. The incredible colors are completely natural, making it one of the most visually stunning trees on Earth. A silk floss tree. With a massive trunk covered in thick, sharp spikes, the silk floss tree looks more like a giant alien creature than a plant. These intimidating spikes protect the tree from climbing animals while it stores water inside its swollen trunk during dry seasons. Native to South America, it also produces spectacular pink flowers that create an incredible contrast with its armored appearance. It's one of nature's strangest combinations of beauty and defense. The pine. For millions of years, scientists believed this tree had vanished forever. Known only through fossils, the pine was considered extinct until a tiny hidden population was discovered in Australia in 1994. Often called a living fossil, it has survived almost unchanged since the age of the dinosaurs. Its unusual bark resembles bubbling chocolate, while its ancient lineage makes it one of the rarest trees on the planet. Finding one in the wild is still an extraordinary event. A banyan tree. Imagine a single tree growing so large that it looks like an entire forest. That's exactly what the banyan tree does. Instead of growing only upward, it sends roots down from its branches. These roots eventually become thick trunks, allowing the tree to spread across enormous areas. Some famous banyan trees cover several acres and provide shade for thousands of people at once. Walking beneath one feels less like standing under a tree and more like exploring a natural cathedral. Native to Australia, that has one of the strangest shapes of any tree. Its huge bottle-shaped trunk stores thousands of liters of water, allowing it to survive long periods of drought. During the dry season, it often stands completely leafless, making it appear upside down. Indigenous communities have relied on trees for food, water, and shelter for generations. Its unusual silhouette is instantly recognizable against the Australian landscape. Monkey puzzle tree. One look at this prehistoric-looking tree, and you'll understand how it earned its unusual name. Its branches are densely covered with sharp, spiral leaves that make climbing nearly impossible. Native to Chile and Argentina, the monkey puzzle tree has existed for around 200 million years. Dinosaurs may have walked beneath its branches long before humans appeared. Even today, it looks more like a plant from another world than something growing on Earth. Desert rose. Growing almost exclusively on the isolated island of, this remarkable tree develops a gigantic swollen trunk that stores water like a living reservoir. During the flowering season, Its thick branches burst into brilliant pink blossoms, creating a dramatic contrast against the island's rocky landscape. Its bizarre shape and unique habitat have made it one of the botanical wonders of the world, perfectly adapted to survive in an extreme environment. Baobab, often called the tree of life, the baobab is famous for its enormous trunk, which can store vast amounts of water during long dry seasons. Some individuals are believed to be more than 1,000 years old. Their thick branches resemble roots reaching into the sky, giving rise to the legend that they were planted upside down. These giants support entire ecosystems by providing food, shelter, and water for countless animals. What looks like an ordinary forest in Utah is actually something almost unbelievable. Every single tree you see belongs to one enormous organism connected through a single underground root system. Known as, it contains more than 40,000 individual trunks, yet shares one genetic identity. Scientists consider it one of the largest and heaviest living organisms on Earth. Standing inside means you're standing inside one giant living being. The dragon blood tree. Nothing on Earth looks quite like the dragon blood tree. Found almost exclusively on the remote island of, its perfectly symmetrical umbrella-shaped crown seems designed by science fiction artists rather than nature. But its strangest feature appears when the bark is cut. A deep crimson sap flows out, earning it the name dragon's blood. For centuries, this mysterious resin has been used as medicine, dye, and even varnish. Combined with its surreal appearance, it's easy to understand why many people believe this is the most alien tree on our planet. Nature never stops surprising us. These incredible trees remind us that some of the strangest things on Earth are completely real. Which one amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed discovering the world's most unbelievable places, animals, and natural wonders, don't forget to subscribe to and join us for our next adventure into the extraordinary.